Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in Stumble guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, click on Settings option. Here you'll see various options. Among them, there is one option called Google Play and there is Login. You have to click on Login. It might take few seconds to few minutes for your account to log in. Here you can see that login option is now changed to logout option, which means you have successfully logged into your Stumble Guys account. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.